Hey guys, Brony General here, back with another video, and I just got a keyboard. So I was at CompUSA today. They had a sale on this keyboard. It was only $25, where normally it's $35, and so I was like, why not? I'm gonna get a keyboard, and I'm gonna review it. So this is an Magic Magickey Enhanced Windows Keyboard 3000. As it says here, it has special power off, sleep and wake mode keys. Enhanced ergonomic design, we'll see what that means, and it's IBM PS2 compatible, just like just about every keyboard made today. So let's open this up. I was already picking at the wrap while I was driving home, because why not? I was a little bored. 3000 prominently displayed on there. What 3000 means, I don't even think they know. You know how companies go. Everything's got to have something 2000 or 3000 at the tacked onto the end of the name today. So there we go. Package is open. Looks like you get into it like this, I think. Yeah. So I gotta. Come on. Come on. There we go. There it is, in all of its new glory. So we've got the cable here, cards of some sort, and we have keyboard itself. So we'll get this packaging out of the way here. Open up the keyboard. Now it's a thin keyboard. Keys are thin, but I'm okay with that. Feel is mushy, but not so mushy I'm gonna hate it. It's very sleek looking, I must say. I do like the way it looks. It's got Windows keys, obviously. Now, I'm not sure where these so-called special keys are. This print screen, there it is. Power, sleep, and wake up. So my guess is you don't need drivers for that. They just kind of work. I'm hoping that's how it goes, because this didn't come with driver disc or anything. There's no diskette in the package. So I'm going to disconnect my gateway keyboard, connect up this keyboard, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I have my gateway keyboard over there. I have the Magickey 3000 hooked up. As you can see, it is working. So let's pull up Microsoft Word, do some typing. We'll check out these keys here in a minute. I don't know what that's all about. Okay then. I don't know why the menu bar was out like that, but I'll just type Pony Soft Online. The date is 11/16/1998. This is a test. Tessie. Oops, test. I actually quite like the feel of the keys, surprisingly. They have a, I don't know how to describe the feel. They're not as mushy when you're actually typing on it. They actually feel pretty decent. Like they have a tactile kind of bump to them, but then there's also a little bit of cushioning under. So really, I'm not saying this keyboard's bad. I actually kind of like this. As I said, the keyboard's kind of flat. The keys aren't super bulgy like that one, which, I mean, I could take or leave. And I guess it does look a little more modern-y than that keyboard. That looks a little more traditionally styled. But I like it, and I'm probably going to keep using it, because, I mean, why not? Brand new keyboard. It does have the old school style back key and bigger enter button, which I do like. That one has the newer style, bigger backspace and smaller enter. So I do like the way this keyboard is laid out. It's got a little more of an old school layout on it. But why not open up a game and see how I can play a game with this thing. So I'll close all this stuff because I want the game to run well. Okay, yes, I get it. I don't need you to load everything back in. And I don't even know what this is. So let's open up, where is it? I guess we'll open up GTA, why not? I'll turn the sound down. Do 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 do. I have it set up like this, and I mean keys are just as responsive as you'd expect. You know, game laggy, a little laggy. I mean, game is just as responsive as I would ever need it to be. I have no problems with this. So yeah, game runs good. So that's the Magickey 3000 keyboard. Do I recommend it? I mean, why not? If you need a cheap keyboard, you know, and you want a decently good... Oh, that's right. We need to test this. Sleep. I said sleep. Power off. Oh god, that worked. Just shut my computer off. Wait, will this actually... No, sadly I cannot hold that button to turn off the computer. Now I'm gonna have to restart this thing, but that's okay. Boop. So that's a review of the Magickey 3000. As I said, I recommend it if you need a cheap keyboard. It's not that bad. But I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one.